Hello and welcome back to our mini course on large language models. In this lesson, we're going to learn a bit about prompt design, and then quickly we're going to jump right into GPT-3 and start experimenting ourselves. So when you're using GPT-3, you're going to see the words prompt and completion a lot. These are its input and output. So you're going to give GPT-3 a prompt, and it's going to give you back a completion. Now, the completions can be really high quality even with short prompts, but an AI researcher named Gwern says that getting the right output can be like coaching a super intelligent cat into learning a new trick. And if you ever tried to teach a cat how to do a trick, it can sometimes be a little bit difficult. For example, if you give it a prompt like, give me a list of cat breeds, you'd think that it would return a list of cats, but it might actually continue that prompt with, and I'll tell you which ones I like. Basically, GPT-3's purpose in life is to continue on the text that you give it in a natural way that matches up with its data set, which is basically the entire internet almost. So with prompt design, you can really get a lot done that in the past we would have had to use code or some other tool to do. GPT-3 is extremely good at generating structured content like code or like Markdown. You can see in the example, if I want to generate some Python code to print Kale is really awesome, it's no problem to do that. And actually, GPT-3 can generate much more complicated code that actually works, which is very impressive. On the right side of the screen here, you see a little diagram which kind of illustrates what I think of prompt design, which at the top there, you can see that in the early days of computing, you needed to build a special computer to do whatever task you wanted. You know, is it a calculator? You need to build a computer for that. And then we ended up making it a little bit easier to use by, okay, a computer can run many different programs. You just need to write the code. And then more recently, it's been a matter of, with machine learning, getting a good data set. But with prompt design, it's going toward a future where it might just be a matter of figuring out the best prompt, the best way to explain to the computer what you want, and it will just do the rest. So it's an extremely exciting field to get into. Stick with me. In the next lesson, we're going to jump right into GPT-3, and we'll learn the ins and outs of prompt design. I'll see you there.